Have you always wanted to create those beautiful AI images we see nowadays all over the internet? If that is the case, don't worry, I got you. Stay tuned and I will show you how I achieve these beautiful ones. Hello, my YouTube family, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating some AI images using the Bing Microsoft Designer tool. So, what you want to do is type on Google Bing Image Creator. And once that is done, you're going to pick the very first one that says Being Creator for Microsoft Designer. Hit enter and it's going to take you to this main page. Right now, I'm just showing you the four images you see on the screen. Those are the prompts the people use in order to get those images. So in order to get any image you want, you need to put in like a prompt or just a short sentence to describe what you want. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead and type what I'm looking for, and after doing that I'll just hit the join and create. So right now what I'm basically doing is to type in my prompt, and I'll go with a magnificent image of a black queen sitting on a throne. um yeah, I think that's what we're gonna go with, a magnificent image of a black queen. I think I'm going to replace the black queen with a black woman sitting on the throne with a crown of money, something like that. So there you go. Um, if you're unable to come up with an idea, you can actually use ChatGPT to get some prompt ideas that you could use. So after doing that, I'll just hit the join and create, and it's gonna take me to the Microsoft page where it wants me to sign in. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you'll need to create one. But basically, right now I'm just signing in. I'll just put in my credentials, um, and then I'll get this code, which will come to my email, and I'll use it to sign in. So once that is done and I'm in, it takes me right now into the site where it starts generating the images. So looking at that right now, where I have the cursor, the flashy sign you see right now, which is orange, by it you see the number 4. That's like how many chances I have left. Pretty much the that sign signifies how fast it's gonna generate the images for you. So usually I think it's always 15, but each image you create, it starts going down. So I've created a couple, as you see on the other side of the screen right now. So right now I have 4 of them. So those are the 2 images it has generated for me. As you see, just click on it. Once you click on it, you have other options. You have one option that is to help you save the image. You can share it, you can download, or you can actually customize it. So if you hit customize, which we're gonna get in right now, it's gonna open a new tab and you have Microsoft Designer. Right there, it gives you option if you want to crop the image, you want to change the filter, or you want to do other modifications to the images, you can go ahead and do that. But if you don't want to, you can just download the image straight away from the previous page, as you saw. So right now I'll just move it around, just try to show you some of the features that are on there, and I'll go ahead and download that into my computer to use it later. And what I like is that if you have a printer at home that prints in color, you can actually print this out, put it on a canvas, and put it somewhere in your house. Again, I don't know if you need a license to get these images to sell them, but for now I'll just suggest you using around your house until you're sure that you can repurpose them. You can use it for commercial purposes, then that'll be it, but I'm not sure about that. So I'll just advise you to use it just in your home or anything that you want to do just for yourself. So yeah, this is the other image. They really look beautiful. I love it. So once I save that, I will just go ahead and try to generate an image of a beautiful princess in a beautiful kingdom with flowers around it. Let's see what it's gonna give us. So as you see, we have two more chances for the boost to get existed. So right now we still have the opportunity for images to load faster. So this is what we get after putting in getting image of a beautiful queen that are really beautiful pictures. Like this one, you can actually print it out and put in your daughter's room, or if someone that loves princesses and Disney characters, you can definitely print that out and just decorate any part of your house or anything like that. They really look beautiful. And this one right here, I really love it too because you can use it as a coloring tool for your kids. You buy them colors and then they just go ahead and show their skills of different color use and things like that. So the images are really beautiful. And I want to remind you that this website is free to use. You can use it on your laptop or you can use it on your mobile phone. Right now I'm actually using it on my laptop. I haven't tried using it on my phone yet, but it says mobile use of over there if you download the app. But I find it easier to work on my laptop, so that's why I just did that on here. So this is what we have. I'll just go ahead and choose another prompt, and this one actually use the button that you see that is by creating. It says surprise me. This gives the website an opportunity for them to suggest an image for you. So when I hit surprise me, he actually said they should create, he actually gave a prompt to create like an astronaut, a, a puppy looking like an astronaut. So we're left with one. We're just gonna exhaust that too and then see what happens when we have nothing. So right now I'm trying to generate a 3D portrait of a black woman wall art. Yes, we're gonna do that and see what's gonna generate. So after writing that, just hit create. After hitting create, um it's downloading your images, and as you see right now I have 0 boats left, and it's telling me if I want more I need 500 rewards. Unfortunately, if you look at the top just by my account name, you're gonna see I have just 75 points, 75 rewards. So I need to work my way out to get to 500 rewards in order to regenerate the boost points that I have. But that is okay. So right now, these are the images it generated for me. It was fast as usual. And I'll just go ahead and open them and show it to you. And then we're going to try to see how we will generate another image without any boost and see how long it's going to take, because while using the boost, it's going to generate the images for you faster. Without the boost, the images take longer for you to do that. Now that we have 0 boost left, we're going to try to put in another prompt and see how long it's going to take for our images to load. So we're going to be searching for a digital art puppy wearing a cute headband. We'll try to see how long it's going to take for the images to load. So after hitting create, I'll just go ahead and wait. And right now, as you can see, it's taking a little bit longer. You see the right notification there. It says thanks for your patience, your images are loading kind of stuff. So it's taking a little longer than it used to when you have the boost on. So while waiting for that, I'll just go ahead and download some images onto my computer while waiting for the images to load. So I had to crop out some part of it because it took about 2 minutes for the images to load. And I actually went to create, as you can see, to see if my images were ready, and they were. Again, it took about 2 minutes for those images to load. So whenever you have the boost, it's very advantageous because your images load faster. And if you run out, you just have to wait for 24 hours for it to reset. So this is the next day. I just want to show you how my boost left from 0 and I got back the 15 boost points. So there it is. You have the 15 bullet points showing right there with the cursor, and above that you see I have 80 points. And from what I noticed, they kind of increase every time I create an image. You're gonna see that somewhere towards the end of the video, how I'm gonna leave from that 80 and I'll be at like 115, because I'll create some images here and there. I can't post all of it because you made the video too long. So these are some of the prompts I use, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Again, this app is free to use. Just get creative, and if you're out of ideas, just go ahead and use ChatGPT, and it's going to help you generate some prompt. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one. I hope you subscribe and share the video. And as always, let me know in the comment section if you have any ideas or suggestion. Stay safe and take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.